Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is January 23rd, 2022. This is my 31st episode for C++17 2023 CUDA SQL OpenGL TBB. In this episode, I will explain how to use C++ stdcommonwith and how to implement tptmakecontainer. Please understand that my current session continues from our previous episode 30. If you haven't watched my previous episode, one serious drawback of STD port and its solution, TPT Smart Forward, please watch it. Otherwise, you may not be able to follow my current and future sessions. I will post video link here. By the time you watch this video, you can click the video link here. Please double click this link to download source code from our previous episode. Show in folder, unzip it, rename 31 common with. Copy this, paste it in your working folder. I will delete this. Open up your Visual Studio Code. Open CPP 17 2023 parallel. From folder 31, double-click this link. We created this file from our previous episode. I will copy and paste this link. If you control-click this link, you can open std common with. I will explain how to use this concept introduced in C++20. C++20 also introduces common reference with basic common reference. Now Control End. Disable it. Here, template, type name, T, type name, types, concept, common, type, B. We are using std common with. T, we need parentheses. Then AND operator. We have to unpack this types parameter. Or we can say common type C. I will explain how to use this. Void test common type C. Here std cout std bool alpha. Copy this function name, paste it here, semicolon, std cout has common type int float double common type C, paste it here, int float double std and copy paste. I will change it constant character type, then constant character pointer. Open up any command prompt. cd 031 common with. I'll be using GNU compiler std C++20 smart.cpp ltbb12 g.exe clsg. So int float double does not have command type, has command type true. Int float constant character pointer do not have command type, so false. This concept works correctly. For example, std cout has command type int. Command type C, we pass int std and there. What will be the command type of int? The command type of int is int. clsg. So has a command type int true. I hope you understand what command type C means. Now we will learn how to implement tpt make container. If you haven't watched my previous episode 30, please double click. In my previous episode, in episode 30, I explained why we need smart forward. If you haven't watched this video, you may not understand or have difficulties understanding my current session. Template, type name, T, type name, types, auto, make, container, T, forwarding reference, ARG, types, forwarding reference, ARGs. If context per, we can use command type C. Paste it here. Then T types. If command type exists among the parameter types, then we can return std vector. We need command type using command T std command type T types. We may need std remove cbraft, also std remove cbraft. So we extracted common T T. Then we can test like this. Talk, play, fun types. Smart, forward, common T, then ARG, TPT, smart, forward, common T, types, ARGs, now else, return, std, tuple, std, forward, t, arg, std, forward, types, args. Basically, if common type exists among the parameter types, then we can return vector. Otherwise, we return tuple. In this case, we should use talk, play, fun, smart, forward. If we use std forward, we sacrifice the performance. Now, void test, custom make container, or a make container. This is int, this is float, this is double. Of course, long L10, we can also pass L. Or B make container James float std variant double int 4.5. We can create arbitrary container std cout a std and there std cout type of a cpg get type category a std and there. I will arrange like this. Copy, paste. This is B. This is B. 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 Copy this function name. Paste it here. Now disable this. We build again. CLSG. So elements of A 1, 2, 3, 10 type vector of double B James 4.5 4.5, or I can even set it constant character pointer. So cool. We can rebuild CLSG James 4.5. So cool. The type of B is tuple, constant character float, std variant double int constant character pointer. Currently, make container does not yet support for associative containers, but I will further extend make container to support associative containers very soon. I haven't explained how to make or implement smart forward this type function. I will explain in near future how to implement this super powerful smart forward